Hello, Mana Perla. Happy birthday. Stay beautiful and very fresh. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. More to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Manang Perla! 70 years old. Young and sexy. Happy birthday, Manang! God bless! Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Perla, it's your 70th birthday. Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang masaya. Maganda ang health. Saka iwasan ang stress para lalong maganda ang aking Ate Perla. Again, in behalf of my family, happy 70th birthday Ate Perla. Regards to the family. Bye-bye. Love you, Ate Perla.
Mandar na. Oh, happy birthday, Perla. Oh, tapos.
Happy birthday, Perla.
Happy birthday, Auntie Perla.
Perla, sana makapunta ka dito.
Perla, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Perla.
Anya nga itihanda tayo. Ha? Okay, happy birthday, Manang Perla.
Hello, Manang. Happy birthday. Muro tawon yun. Kumusta kayo dito ngay? Dubai. Mayat mati. Pintas ka mo. Sige picture mo. Sige, Manang. Happy birthday Happy birthday.
Hi, Manang Perla. Good evening. It's your 70th birthday daw. Happy birthday. Well, look at you. You're still pretty and healthy. Keep it up. Kita-kits na rin. Sana. We miss you. So, happy birthday ulit and good luck. Ingat lagi. Bye! Happy birthday, Tita! Bye-bye!
Happy 70th birthday, Perla. Miss na kita. Gawin kan. Nagsasyat ako ni May Isang. Tawang kamot. Tungit sa pakili But kumusta ka nga Kaya dararamidim dito Ingat ka dyan. Abanak dyan kablong mamdama. Dyan meeting time Tawang ka no. Awanak mutan.
Damanang marin Oh.
Hello, Manang Perla! Happy New Year! Advance happy 70th birthday!
Mama.
Hi, Ate Perla!
Hi, Ate Perla!
Mukhang nag-enjoy ka sa buhay mo dyan, Wow, 70 years old ka na. Congrats! Anyway, kailan nung uwi mo dito? Mula nung wala ka, hindi na ako nakapunta sa bahay mo. Wala na akong pinapasyalan. Kailan ka ba uwi? Anyway, happy birthday, Ate Perla. Oh, baby, Ate Lola.
Happy birthday, Ate Perla.
Lola.
Wala dyan si Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Mare. Wish you good health, more blessing, and more birthdays to come. Miss you and love you. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Ate Perla. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Manang Perla. Sana lagi kang malusog at malakas ang iyong pangangatawan at enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Masaya ako para sa iyo. God bless you more.
Hi Perla, kumusta? Happy birthday, more birthdays to come. God bless, ingat palagi. Kumusta kayo lahat dyan?
Happy birthday,
Perla. Sana Perla, humaba pa ang buhay mo, Perla. Para sa akin, deserve mo yan, Perla, yung sobrang pagmamahal ng mga anak mo sa iyo. At saka yung mga celebration na ganito, since na-reach mo ang 70 years old, nang dahil sa ikaw ay mabait na tao. Gift yan sa iyo ni Lord. Nagkaroon ka ng mga mabait na anak at hindi ka pinapabayaan. Sana'y may you have more and more.
Sana yung mahaba pa ang iyong buhay.
Birthday to come, Perla. We love you, Perla.
We love you, Perla.
Happy birthday! It's your 70th birthday. Siyempre, masaya din kami. Abot mo yan, 70. Sana lagi ka pang magkakaroon ng maraming birthday. Siyempre, namimiss ka namin dito. Kaya na yung tatawag dito sa may bakod. Siyempre, enjoy your stay in Dubai. Merry, Happy New Year. 2021. Good year. Be strong, be safe, and be fine.
Be healthy.
Be healthy. Kumusta na lang sila, Wina, saka ang pamilya.
Wilson.
So, ano din ah?
What?
Kayong lahat yan. Kumusta kayong lahat ha? Sana, lagi kayo maluto, malaka. Kailan ang uwi nyo? Ang tingin ko, matagal pa kasi itong pandemic. Dito, hirap lumalabas na pumunta sa bayan. 4 times pa lang ako nagpunta sa bayan since the pandemic. Kapag na-business pa. Dito lang sa bahay, mag-walis-walis. Punta sa may harapan ng bahay na mag-walis. Ganun lang sa likod.
Okay.
Okay.
Wrap it up.
Happy birthday. Happy New Year. Enjoy your stay.
Happy birthday.
Magpakasaya dyan. Salamat sa Diyos. At sana marami ka pang maraming na darating na. Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday, Auntie Perla.
Lina, bye.
Hi Manang, happy 70th birthday. Wish ko na sana in good health ka palagi. Pinibis ka pa ni Lord ng mabang buhay. Enjoy your special day Manang and stay safe always. We love you Manang.
Blessed 70th birthday, Ate Perla. May the good Lord bless you with good health, long life, and more blessings. Enjoy your stay in Dubai. Stay safe. Because we, the senior citizens of Kablong, miss you so much. God bless you, Ate Perla.
Mare, happy birthday. Sana malusog ka lagi. Malayo kayo sa sakit dyan. Tapos, at kumusta na rin yung mga bata, tsaka si Wina, tsaka yung darling niya. Tingnan mo, matanda na ako. Ikaw siguro dyan, masaya ka siguro dyan, no? Birthday!
Ulit mo niya. Ulit ka rin ang tingnan ko.
Ang warkat tanan, wantoy kintantan.
Ulit ka mo.
Kinay ni, dadalan to di kinjay. Dani iyay, agak makangel.
Ano ba? Ay ka ba?
Tabot din malaya. Kadang birthday akmat ng kian, anang nang mau, yung birthday akmat. At sa may pakyan. At bayag katan manaya, ditangkala mo man aayam. Baka kailiwak mo lagi kayo.
Hey, Manang! Advance happy birthday! Kumata, ado pa ti taon. Nga, atidog pa ti pagbiag mo. Kumusta nga, mabait kayo pa ita. Na,
Ibisak mo kanyang dito yun. Oh. Sura, ne, nagpasya idigay balay Jay po sa Robio, dahil na tinadanon sa Jay. Hindi nga, nakita kay Pagani Jay, hindi napagkabigyan, video call kapag gayan.
Happy birthday, Auntie Perla. We wish you good health, long life,
and more blessings to come. Happy birthday!
Hello, Mother. Happy birthday. Thank you. Dahil ikaw ang naging second mother ko. Thank you rin sa lahat-lahat ng support mo sa amin ni Wilson. Pray ko lang na sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday na darating. Love you, Mother. Happy birthday again. God bless. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Perla. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. God bless. Mwah. Happy birthday, Manila. Love you. God bless. And I miss you. Mwah.
Hello, Me. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko more health and more birthdays to come. So, enjoyin mo lang Dubai. So, may kita isang taon na rin ang pamamalakad mo sa Dubai, Me. So, ingat lagi. Happy birthday and wish you all the best. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you so much. Thank you for all your support, for your love, and everything. You're the best mommy ever. I love you so much, Mommy. Happy birthday. Tong itay, mamaya.
Hi, Me. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday, Me. 70 ka na, pero parang 69 ka lang. Joke. Hindi, yun. Thank you. Maraming salamat dahil lagi ka nandyan. And ikaw yung lola namin. Salamat kasi always on ano ka, go with the flow, ganon. And yun, continue yung pagiging masayahin mo, Me. And I miss you. Gala ulit tayo soon. And miss ko yung pagwawagwag nating dalawa. Kaya yun, ngayon, 70th birthday mo, Me. Sana mag-enjoy ka. And we're always here for you. Alam ko, uwi ka na. Pero sana nag-enjoy ka pa rin kasama kami. And yun, we love you so much, Me. Praying for good health and long life. Dito lang kami lagi. We love you. Happy birthday, man.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. I wish you good health. See you soon and more birthdays to celebrate. I miss you. Love you.
Hi, Mommy. Happy 90th birthday. 90. 100. Charot. Hindi, kasi parang ano lang, parang 18 lang, parang 20, ganun. Pero yun, I just wanna say happy birthday and I wish you strength and more birthdays to come kasi deserve mo yun. Deserve mo yung long life kasi super pure ng heart mo. Wow! Super bite mo. Kasi di ba lagi ka nagko-comment sa Facebook? Ang ganda ng apo mo. So yun. Hindi. Pero biro, sana more birthdays to come and more strength. Kasi nasa 60 plus na pero power pa rin, di ba? Lakas-lakas pa rin. Parang ano lang, 10 years old. So yun, sana balik na kayo dito sa Pinas. Kasi nakakamiss. Hindi, para mag-ano na tayo, Tagaytay. Dubai na lang eh. Hindi, may punta na kayo dito para ulit, Tagaytay. Punta tayo sa Tagaytay. So yun, happy birthday. Thank you for everything you've done for us since birth. And know that we appreciate all of those. Yan. So yun. Happy birthday, man. We love you so much from the bottom of our hearts. Happy birthday! Love you! Bye-bye! Ingat ka dyan always. Keep safe and relax. Bye-bye! Love you!
Hi, me! Happy 18th birthday! And I wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best.
Always take care.
Always take care.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
And God bless you.
And God bless you.
I miss you so much and I love you.
We miss you.
Ay, Mami, happy birthday po. And sana po maging masaya po kayo sa araw niyo ngayon. And stay healthy po, Mami. And sana po makabanding na po namin ulit kayo and makasama. Yun naman po. And, yeah. Ay po, I miss you. Love you.
Mother, happy birthday! Best wishes and thank you sa lahat. Sa lahat sa pag-alaga kay Sia. Thank you. Best wishes. More birthdays to come. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mother. Happy 70th birthday. More birthday to come.
Hello, Mother! Happy 70th birthday! Yee! Special ang birthday na yan kasi nandiyan kayo sa Dubai. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo dyan lagi. Ay, ikaw yan. Ano sasabihin mo? Happy birthday, Mami! We love you! Ingat always! Bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Hello, Mother. Happy 70th birthday. It's your day. Enjoy the fun. Salamat sa walang sawang pag-unawa, pag-intindi, at pag-asikaso. Kahit na may mga edad na kami, ay andyan pa rin kayong umaalalay lagi sa amin lahat. God bless you more, Mother. Good health always. I love you very much. Thank you, Mother.
Happy birthday, Mother. Thank you, Lord, for having you reach 70 years and counting. I'm so proud of you dahil sa lahat ng mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan mo in these 70 years of your life. Kinaya mo. At heto ka, napaka-strong, healthy, and happy. Kaya nga, idol kita eh. Thank you for always there for me when I need to do. Thank you. Laging nandiyan ka, back up. Pag kailangan kita sa mga anak ko. Present ka lagi sa tabi ko. Maraming salamat. And maraming salamat. Many to mention and millions thanks talaga. Basta, prayers namin palagi. Maging masaya ka, healthy, at bigyan ka pa kayo ni Lord ng maraming birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy ka lang, Mother. Be happy. No more headaches. Enjoy lang with your apos. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Mother. Wishing you more happiness, long life, and good health. Salamat sa mga pag-aalaga mo sa amin nung kami maliliit. Enjoy your day at sana mag-arali kang handa. Salamat. Happy birthday again and God bless you always, Mother. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Mami. Ang wish ko ay stay young, pretty, at good health.
Hi, Mami! Happy 70th birthday! More birthdays to come. Stay young, stay sexy, stay pretty. Miss ka na namin. Sana makapagband ulit tayo soon. Thank you sa pagmamahal mo sa amin. Thank you sa pagtuturo sa amin ng mga mabubuting asal, sa mga lessons in life. Thank you. We miss you so much. Stay healthy dyan. Mag-ingat lagi ngayong quarantine. So, enjoy Dan! We miss you. Love you.
To our pretty, young, sexy, and precious mommy, happy 70th birthday! Thank you for showering us lots of love, and thank you for everything you have done to us. I wish you good health, everlasting happiness, and of course, long, long, long life. I can't wait to travel with you someday. Mag-iingat po kayo dyan palagi. God bless you always po, and enjoy your birthday po, and cliche man po, but I want you to know po that you are the best mommy in the entire world, and you only deserve the best and nothing less. Ayun. May God bless you always po dyan, and enjoy your birthday po, and have a blast! Happy birthday again!
Happy 70th birthday, Mommy. More birthdays to come. I wish you all the best and always be healthy.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy! So, wishing you a happy and blessed birthday this year, Mommy. May your special day be filled with so much love and bliss. And ayun, stay healthy always. We'll see you soon. Miss ka na po namin, Mommy. And maintain your healthy and sexy figure. Yes. And your young face. Happy birthday, Mommy. Love you.
Thank you for everything you done to us. I love you, Mama. I wish you were here, and we wish you have a long life. Stay safe. God bless. Love you, Mama. Happy birthday po, Mama. I love you. Ingat po dyan. Wish you have a long life and more blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Love you, Mama. Stay safe.
Pag-aalaga po sa amin. Thank you for everything po. I wish you a good health, long life, stay safe po. Happy birthday po, we love you.
Salamat po sa lahat ng ginawa niyo po sa amin. Pag-alaga po sa amin. I wish you long life, more blessings to come, and more birthdays to come. I love you po, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mother. Sana bigyan pa kayo ng mahaba pang buhay, good health. Salamat sa lahat ng pag-aaruga niyo sa mga apo niyo. Enjoy, Mother. Love you.
Love you, Mami. Stay safe and God bless. Love you. Yeah, I love you.
Blow the candle, Mother.
3, 2, 1. Go. Wave the candle for you.
Happy birthday! Hi! Kapag maabot mo pa isang agasot na taon si 70 Mumot na inayayat kayo amin na salitaan na uray no basta kung nangyari si ayat at lota kada kayo anak. Happy birthday, Happy New Year.
Happy birthday to you.